My name is Manaye Bantiun, Amara Fano National Force, Amara Fano and Gojam, Right Lord of Tainuk 6th Division, King Taglai Mount Brigade. I am working as a head of Regional Relations Department. Amara were the oldest, the biggest and most civilized nations in the world. These nations have big values. These values can be the values of the world. To mention some of them, vibrant and humble, loyal and trustworthy, courageous and warriors, ready to die for dignity and independence, have big spiritual beliefs, the Orthodox Christianity and Islam. Both stand side by side and played a significant role in shaping the culture. We Amara Fanos are unstable because we are the great grandsons and granddaughters of those kings and queens, heroes and heroines, warriors and peacekeepers. I have a bold message for nations and nationalities found in Ethiopia. The Ethiopian diaspora found in different parts of the world, and for those who love Ethiopia. It is real time to help the struggle and to start the struggle in your area. Our enemies forced us to fight each other instead of fighting against them. It is real time standing together. We Amara Fanos are fighting